everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a to-do list in Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to app.smartsheet.com on your web browser and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to Home on the left panel and then click on Start a New Project, Program, or Process. After that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on Grid. To begin, let's edit these three columns because that is all that we need to make a to-do list. First, let's rename this into Task. This is where we're going to list all the tasks that we want to do or that we need to do. So type in task, then click on OK. Then for the column 2, let's make this our column for the due date. And then click on the drop-down menu below on the column type and select Date. And then click OK. Next, on the column 3, we're going to edit it again and type in Complete. And then for the column type, we will make it a checkbox. We can also choose what style of checkbox are we going to use. So let's use this for example and click on OK. As for the fourth column, we can delete this since we won't be needing it. Now, let's add some simple tasks like eat your breakfast, and then let's say practice guitar. And for the due date, let's say I'm going to select September 16 for eating my breakfast, and I'm going to select September 20 for practicing the guitar. Now, once you're done, so this is your list, you're simply going to click on the checkbox on the right side where on the complete column, and as simple as that, you've made a to-do list in Smartsheet. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!